see it if they did.
We get a line of truckers right here in front of us. I didn't see any tractors today. I haven't seen any tractors.
Because you took all your stuff out.
Yeah, nothing in it besides the cash.
Well, even just to see, I've only seen it in pictures.
It's not very
Just to see
big.
the space.
It was completely packed. I had all these carvings in it.
Yeah.
You had to walk sideways through it.
You gotta sell some more of them.